In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the Windows 11 update Sihost.exe Unknown Hard Error. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and that way you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for msconfig, click on the OK button. Once done, you need to navigate to the general, go with selected startup. Then you need to navigate to the services, click on hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, click on apply, and then click on OK. Once done, close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you need to proceed to the second solution, and that is you need to run for SFC scan. How we can do that at the button search bar, please type for CMD. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best match under the command prompt system. And from here, you need to go with the run as administrator. So go with the run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Now from here, please type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. Click on the enter key on your keyboard and wait until this procedure would be finished. Once done, you need to copy and paste the second, which is to chkdsk space forward slash f space forward slash r. Copy and paste it to the command prompt to wait until it would be done. And once you have done it, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.